Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a eyeshadow tutorial on this look right here. I am using the LaRoc Pro Chapter 2 Artistry book palette in today's video. I do have this palette already featured here on my channel, but that was just with more of the neutral shades. But I do have a tutorial that I'm going to be posting today using the colorful shades right here. So if you guys are interested on how I got this look, then just continue to watch. This is going to be a voiceover tutorial, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my thoughts on the palette and everything during that time. So yeah, you guys, if you're interested in how I got this look, then keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, y'all, so we're going to get started with some eyeshadow base. Y'all already know what eyeshadow base I'm using, or you should know. It's a Juvia's Place eyeshadow base in the shade number 2. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying that, blend it out with my buffer brush, and then I'm going to go in with the first shade. It is called Bad Energy, and I'm just taking that on a brush. I can't remember what brush it is, but yeah, y'all, I'm going to be putting that in my crease in the outer corners. So y'all, about this palette, like, I'm extremely, like, really impressed with this palette. Like, honestly, how the shades blend together is just, it's so amazing. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I do have the first one already reviewed here on my channel, and it's just really not good as far as like the colorful shades. The neutral shades and everything are bomb, but the ones in the colorful ones in the first one is just not good at all. They don't really blend well. The, pigmentation is not really there, but it's still a pretty good palette as far as how the neutrals are. So yeah, this palette though definitely did not come to play. I'm very impressed with how they like executed this palette this go around. Another thing I wanted to point out about these eyeshadows is that they're very smooth to touch, and that's something that I was kind of worried about when I started to swatch the palette when I first got it. I'm just like, oh, usually when shades are so soft to the touch, they have like a lot of fallout and they're not really opaque. Like once you try to pack them on or blend them out and everything, they'll lose its pigmentation. But with these, it did not. Like I said before, you guys, like, I'm really impressed with this palette. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about it, honestly. I'm not trying to sound like too repetitive or anything like that. I really like the palette. It's way better than the first one. Now, do I suggest you get this one over the first one? Yeah, I honestly do, because the neutrals and the colorful shades are kind of similar to the first one, except this one is just better quality in my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for real, y'all. I'll probably come back to do the outro, but yeah, that's it. Just enjoy the rest of the video. So yeah, you guys, after I went in with the 2 glitter shades in my inner corner, that was pretty much the end of the video. But you guys, I totally forgot to film like some outro shots, like little, you know, dramatic slow motion shots. So I really apologize about that. I do have just a picture that I'm going to insert for you guys to see the finished look. Here it is right here. So yeah, sorry about that. If you guys would like to see this look in like video form and everything, then I suggest you follow me on Instagram. All of that will be down below. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.